everybody, this is bowl number 4 in our series. So again, we're starting out with 2 pounds of clay. We're going to cone and dome twice. Lots of water initially. Don't fight the clay. You want lots of moisture initially. Down and away. I'm coning pretty fast, and you guys will get here if you're worried, like my coning isn't that fast. Don't worry, that comes with practice, practice, practice. Okay, now we're about to center. So you can see it's a little wobbly, but if we hold our space, that clay will settle down. Relax, let go. If it's dry, and go back in. One more time, measuring that width of that base. So my shrinkage ruler says 12%. I'm measuring to 4. It will be 4 inches in the base at the final output. Right now it's probably maybe 5, 5.5. But we'll allow for that shrinkage. My left hand is just stabilizing my right hand when I'm opening my piece. It's not applying too much pressure, it's just stabilizing it. Collecting that moisture. And once again, compressing that floor. If we don't compress these platelets, we will get a crack in our floor of our bowl. Even though we will be adding water throughout the throwing process, it's not enough to mess with what we've done when we've compressed that floor. But we won't leave water sitting in there for long periods of time. This time I'm going to do the sponge pull. I'm going to hold the sponge in my right hand, pointing down. It's going to be applying moisture to the outside of my piece as I'm doing my pulls. And then my thumb of my left hand will be tucked in the spacing or touching the top. Bringing that clay straight up. Relax on pressure as you get to the top and float away. Start your next pull at the bottom. Bring it straight up. Once again, if it gets dry, relax, wet your hands, and continue where you left off at. Don't feel obligated to start at the bottom again. Okay, I think we're good on thickness throughout. Now we're going to start our shaping pull. I'm going to shift my body weight and move that clay towards my chin. Even though I'm applying pressure with my index finger of my left hand, that right hand is counteracting that with its own pressure. Now let it off a little more in the pressure with that right hand, getting our bowl shape. Collect moisture once again, and then a little more pressure, supporting it. As long as we don't go past a 45-degree angle, our piece is going to stay upright. If we go past that 45-degree angle, it's just too much pressure for that the belly to hold its weight. So my my right finger is kind of angled like this as I'm doing my pull. Ease off on pressure as you float away. Collect any moisture. I like to support because I might be putting too much pressure on the inside of my piece, but it seems pretty good. Holding that space, just widening it just a tiny bit more. following that shape. A little bit more to match the other ones. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching.